If you are looking for a 5K dashcam, in today's video we're gonna test this LINGDU dashcam LD06. This is a 2-channel dashcam, and today we're gonna unbox it, we're gonna test it, we're gonna see the video resolution, and we're gonna see how good it is in today's video. Coming up next. Okay guys, this is what it comes inside of the box. The brand is LINGDU. The model is the LD06, the dashcam. This is a 2-channel dashcam. It comes with the manual, the stickers to place it on the windows or the windshield, trim tool, and some clips, power cable, USB-C to USB-A with the cigarette lighter adapter, okay? Light adapter, the camera, rear camera with the extension. It's a long cord. This is the plug connected on the camera. This is the rear camera. It has like a extra connection that connects the power cable and the rear camera in one cable. So this is the camera. It looks pretty good. That's the front, the back, and on the side it has the micro SD slot with the USB-C cable. Already has a micro SD card included, 64 gigs. Is already installed on the camera. 2 extra stickers just in case this goes back. Okay, you have 2 extra. So this is everything that comes inside of the box. Okay, the camera is ready, it's right here, the connection is here, and it goes here with the extension, and on the extension you can connect the camera and the power cable, the rear camera and the power cable. Okay, the camera is on, so now let's download the app and let's change the settings, and let's see how to download the videos for the camera. Already downloaded. This is the LINGDU app. Let's open it. That's the app. Okay, so it says connect to LD06 to the camera. Let's click connect. Join.
Recording started.
Connecting to the Wi-Fi. All right, it's connected. That's great. So this connection is automatically. Some apps you have to go to the Wi-Fi, select what camera, and connect it. This one does everything inside of the app. That's amazing. Okay, let's see how the apps work. If we touch the screen, you can remove the letters from here on the bottom. You can select full screen too, and on the bottom it says DashCam album. You have to stop the recording,
Stopped.
and then click this one. Has no data because I just installed it. Normal. That's just the videos that has right now. Photo, no photos. So just that because I just installed the camera. To download the video, you can click on any of the videos, and in the bottom it has this icon. You can download the video right there and it will start downloading, but I don't want to download it right now. So that's how to download it. In the bottom it has this icon. Click there, or if you want to delete it, you can delete it there. Okay, in here and the top one and first one is to select the videos, to download the videos. We already saw that. And with this icon, audio recording, you can turn on and off the audio
off.
right there.
Audio on.
Okay, and this one, switch mode, doesn't work with this camera, but it has switch camera. You can switch the view of the camera from the screen, from the app. Okay, so you can put both cameras, just the front or just the rear in there. You can select that one. For now I'm gonna leave it like that, and here you can change the resolution of the videos. Okay, for the front is 4K, 2K for the rear, 25 frames per second, or you can go down right here, 30 frames per second, 2K and 2K. Okay, so for now I'm gonna leave it like that. Now let's go to the settings. Oh, I have to do it like this. It's hard to reach. And these are the settings. First, video resolution, the same thing that we had on the front, we have it here. You can switch it, and in here is more visible. You can see what it is. This is what, sorry, this is for the front camera, and this is for the rear camera. Okay, front 2080-40 and the rear 2460. Okay, you can switch the camera right there. Do it like this, go back, and then loop recording. Here you can select the video from 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. I always leave it in 1 minute because it's easier to download, but you can put it in 2 or 3 minutes if you want like a bigger files or longer videos. Okay, the audio, same thing, turn on and off the audio. The second one is for the G sensor. I always like to put it in low because if not, it's gonna be locking. Even if the bump stop videos, it will stop the. It will lock the videos. I don't want that. Picture in picture, the view for the screen, for now is good, like that. Parking mode. Okay, the parking mode says normal parking recording. Time lapse. Okay, for now I'm gonna leave it like that. Volume medium. I'm gonna put it in low. It's kind of high. All right. And now the next one is volume, voice control. You can put it, turn it on and off in here, and this is the voice. These are the voice commands: turn off, open, low this. Okay. And now the next one is fatigue driving reminder. It's off for now, but if you turn it on, it will like remind you to stop driving or something like that. The frequency 60 hertz. For now, I'm gonna leave it in 60 hertz. The date format in United States is month, day, and year, but you can change it year, month, and day, or day, month, and year. You can change it and switch it in this area. The speed unit miles per hour, but you can change it to kilometers per hour. Okay, cool. The next one, boot ringtone. You can turn it on and off in there. GPS info. This is the info. Because we are not moving, nothing is in there. Because we're not moving, nothing is in there. Format recording. You can tell the camera to format the recording, but for now, I'm gonna turn it off. And then the date stamp, you can turn it on, remove it from the video if you don't want it. Time zone. I think here is -6, I think. Synchronized time. Okay, I already synchronized it with my phone. SD card information. Format the SD card. You can format the SD card here. Let's put it okay. It's formatting the card. So the next one is the Wi-Fi. That's the Wi-Fi name. Okay. Password. You can change the password if you want in there. Default settings. No, cancel. Firmware in there. Okay. So that's everything from the settings. So now let's see how the resolution it is for the videos from the day view and night view of the camera. Let's do that next. Okay, let's start with the video resolution. This is the day view for the front camera. The front camera is a 4K resolution, and as you can see, the resolution is great. The view of the day, it looks super good. Everything is clear. You can see everything pretty good. The license plates, the cars, what kind of car it is very sharp and visible. As you can see, license plates here is super good. So no complaints for the front camera. So everything is good for the front camera. And now this is the day view for the rear camera. The rear camera is a 2K resolution. And as you can see here, the same thing. Everything is clear, super good. The view is good. We can see the license plate. We can see the car. We can see a little bit the resolution difference because this is a 2K resolution, but it's still good for the day view. And now this is the night view for the front camera, 4K resolution. And as you can see, this one is great. It has a night vision. Everything looks super clean and clear. We can see the cars, the license plates. Everything is very clean and clear. We can see everything very good. The cars, everything. Even when the car is moving, everything is clear because it's a 4K resolution. That's great for the front camera. Okay, and now this is the night view for the rear camera. The rear camera is at 2K resolution, so the rear camera has a night vision too. As you can see, it looks pretty clean and good. The only thing is when it gets darker, it gets a little bit grainy, but that's almost the same for most of the cameras. But when there is light, it gets clear, the vision. And also my car has a rear spoiler, and that blocks a little bit the view to see the license plates of the cars when they get too close to my car. But everything is good, it looks good. For the rear camera, the rear camera is a 2K resolution, but it still looks a little bit grainy at night. Okay, and now that you already saw the videos, you can decide if you want to buy this camera. The camera is great, especially for the front camera. The resolution is amazing. For the rear camera, it's at 2K resolution, so it's good too. At night, it struggles a little bit when it's darker, but when there is light around the rear camera, it looks super clean and clear. Okay, so I recommend it. Let me know what you guys think about the camera on the comments. If you like the video, please like the video, subscribe for more videos like this one. Thank you for watching. God bless you, and see you on the next video. Bye. Okay guys, and this is the giveaway. This time we're gonna do it a little bit different again because I'm behind on the video. Sorry about that. So on next Friday we are gonna announce the winner. So all the videos from today till Friday are counting for the comments, likes for all the subscribers. Okay, so the rules are pretty simple. You have to be subscribed to the channel, you have to put a comment on any of these videos, you have to like any of these videos this week. And also, this is only for the USA subscribers. Sorry about the international subscribers, but this is only for the USA. And on Friday, we're gonna pick the winner. And the giveaway, we're gonna put the camera over here. This one is amazing, and it's for you guys. So one of you guys is gonna win this camera. Okay? Thank you for watching. Thank you for liking the videos and putting comments on the video. Thank you. God bless you. And on Friday, we're gonna announce the winner. Thank you. God bless you, and see you on the next video.
Every single day I feel the pressure. Double up the work, let's make it extra. Working so my mother get a rest, yeah. Working like I never knew I'm blessed, yeah. Every single day I feel the pressure. Diamonds in my eyes, I know I'm special. In the gym I gotta get my reps up. In the gym I gotta get my